Howdy folks, it's the Wednesday after the 7th visit. I don't know what that is, it's about 11th of April or something, no, 10th of April or something. So I thought, no smoke, no nothing, I just lifted the lid off. Thought you might like to see this. It's about 7 o'clock at night, something like that. There they are, this is the one that had the stick blocking the entrance. So you can just see them in there. As long as you don't do it too quick, then the sugar syrup just lifts them up and they sit on top. You can see them having a drink. There's one over there. Oh, there she is. Just see her in the sunlight. It's pretty chilly actually this evening. I'll just leave that a minute, let that one at the corner get out, and there's one here. There she is. So she might stop when she smells it. Look, you can see her going, sniffing around with her antenna. Oh, hurry up, love. I'm just going to wiggle that stick to get them off the ground so she doesn't drown. Hang on. She's swimming at the moment. Bless her. Right. They're floating now. There you go. She's actually skating on water. There's a good close-up of a worker bee looking for food. Made it to the edge. Had enough of that nonsense. Here's one having a little drink. I'll try and pour it in slowly and then each side and then get the sticks to float as best I can. But here we are again, you see, it's nearly 7 o'clock at night, midweek. You know, you're not sitting at home watching the telly, you're out feeding bees, so it is a consideration. This lot are just looking for something. And the stick was right across there. I don't think you saw it because it was at the front of the camera's at the front of the hive. But I'm wondering whether the clarity of the pictures is because I've gone on half frame, because that looks an awful lot better. You can hear the others chuntering away and going down through the door, look, trying to go home because it's nearly time to go to bed. There she is. She's determined to have a drink, and she'll tell the others that it's up here. Or she's planning her escape. I don't know. Anyway, the sun's setting over the horizon. That's probably about as close as you'll get. The camera lens is probably about 5 inches away from that bee. 4 to 5 inches, something like that. Probably can't get it any closer than that. I'm not sure if it's going to focus now. There you go. So they all seem pretty calm. It is cool though, I've got to say. It's, you know, we're having 15-16 degrees in the daytime and it's down to nearly 10 now and probably freezing overnight. She's still in there. I don't know what she's doing, whether she's just loving it or just rolling around in chocolate for a bee. There you go, she's found the edge and she's off. They might come up in the night and have a go at this, but probably tomorrow morning. Anyway, it's Wednesday and yeah, that's it till the next instalment. It's quite a picturesque setting, this. Sun's quite strong still, but the air's really chilly. They're all pretty much home. Oh, Marjorie's barking at the moon again there. That bloke's mad, he is. He's barking crazy. I wonder if this is going to zoom in. Let's just try. Oh, hello. Hey, it went up to 10 a minute ago. Oh, here we go. 4, 10. Bit grainy. There she is. What a lovely evening. All the blackthorns out. There's some sort of cherry blossom tree there, so they're probably having some fun during the day collecting pollen, but whether there's any nectar I don't know yet. Anyway, I think it is the 9th of April today. I'm pretty sure it's the 9th. It's a Wednesday anyway, so sorry I got my knickers in a twist about the date, but there you go.